Donuts. Binangkal? Binangkal. Donuts. Shakoy.
Shakoy, yeah, that's a shakoy. Donut.
They even have nice cakes.
Yeah.
A lot of ice cream. I think the rain might be coming in.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Soon.
They have a self-service thing back there with ube. Do you want donuts or do you want to keep walking?
Oh, even have a burger.
I don't want the burger.
Yeah, let's just keep walking.
Okay, we're gonna keep going. It looks good though.
But I think we're just so cool.
Ah, the rain started.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Now it's like big rain.
Let's go across.
I think we should do this.
We should go where? You think we should go where? It's definitely raining now. Maybe it'll only rain for 20 minutes.
Let's hope.
Well,
You want to go back in there at the Karinderia and just hang out for a while?
no, I'm okay. I'm not afraid of the rain. There's an Uncle Brew over there if you want to get a milk tea or a coffee.
Maybe a coffee.
Okay.
There's another coffee again.
Why not? Let's go.
You use that because you have the camera.
It's waterproof.
Oh, right. Yeah. James, so much.
Yeah, let's go to the Uncle Brew now that it's raining hard. Let's go.
Well, they don't have chairs.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to get?
You have ice cream in there?
Chocolate truffle.
But they don't have chairs.
They don't have chairs. All right, we keep going. We don't have to.
Yeah.
Unless you really wanted one.
But look at the wind.
Rain.
Yeah. It's so windy. Look at this guy. He's using the umbrella. The umbrella is so cute. Babe, the umbrella is so cute. You might want to borrow that umbrella.
That one's made with tape. It's just a shipping tape.
GRS.
It's not even raining that bad.
Yeah, true.
Just a little.
Alright. We're not afraid of rain though. He's not afraid of rain. Oh! No, it's just like teardrops. We're just gonna walk by for now.
Alright, let's go for a walk and then maybe we'll touch back and see where we're at.
Bye.
She needs coffee again.
Maybe we'll try to order another drink. Frap, milk tea.
The Vietnamese?
Vietnamese.
What's your favorite?
For milk tea, sir, this is our bestseller. Okinawa is my favorite.
Okay.
And this is our bestseller.
With
Sambra.
mustache? With mustache lang da? Kani?
Yeah. Creamy avocado.
Avocado?
Yeah.
Huh.
You want to try that?
I'm scared. Avocado? Is it good? Have you had the avocado?
Yeah.
It's one of their
By the way,
bestsellers.
wala pa mi kuan with
Avocado?
cream.
Ah, wala pong may whipped cream?
No whipped cream.
Then sa coffee, sad na mo, nagbuhat pa bago kami nag-open.
Ah, pero okay na inyong avocado without whipped cream.
Oh, okay.
Sure jud ka?
Yeah.
Are you
Actually,
sure?
mga na kanang like, kanang
Bestseller?
teachers mo diri,
Ah.
avocado jud nila cream.
Bestseller for the teachers. They always
Oh.
order the avocado. Maybe they like the matcha type of
Okay.
thing.
Do you want avocado?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do
Since he's
the creamy
afraid.
avocado and we'll do the Do you have the Vietnamese? Cafe Vietnamese?
Oh, not available.
Ah.
Oh.
For our size, sir, we have medium and then
We'll do the big one, brand.
ganyan. Ito honey, ma'am.
And you said milk,
Yeah.
we'll do the large Okinawa as well.
Yeah. One Okinawa and one avocado.
Yeah, fancy.
I think you want
Mahati.
two because you might not like the avocado.
Yes.
Ang size creamy avocado, ma'am, is brand new.
Same lang.
Super cute. This is our Okinawa.
That's his drink because he doesn't want to drink the avocado.
I'll try it. Super cute. Not good lighting. Better lighting the other way. Oh, it's hot on the bottom.
It's hot on the bottom because of the
Just like me.
bubble.
Let's try it.
Excited to drink it.
It's good.
It's good.
Let me get some boba.
It's good for a 55 pesos. Like, it's already large.
Yeah.
And we have a visitor.
Oh, another dog?
Hi, doggy! He was looking at you earlier.
We're making a list of our expenses as well. So less than 1,000, so less than $20 for everything.
Yeah.
Then the cab was a little less than 300,
Yes, it's 210 exactly.
plus some sort of fee, like 60
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah,
So about $5 for the cab,
True.
and then 100 for the bus ride here. So we're less than 1,000 overall. So $20 for a whole day of eating a bunch of different stuff. Is that everything we had?
yeah, I think that's it. And we want to try another cake store in
Cheesecake.
here.
Yeah, there's cheesecake here. So we got these to go with the cheesecake, hopefully.
Yeah. hopefully we can go there without any injuries, or they
Yeah.
won't let us go in there with the drinks that we have.
Corkage.
Yeah, corkage. Maybe they'll be okay since it's here.
They always let me have a trustworthy face.
They always gave him free things.
Yeah.
It's
Oh, the sun.
his ethnicity. Oh, now it's sunny. Like it's bright. Outside. Thank you, Lord. Got the avocado.
Oh, it's even got cute little sprinkles on top. Yeah. That's how she looks at me when she's mad.
When I get mad?
That's like caramel. I like the sprinkles. They're like
Yeah.
red and green.
They still have whipped cream.
They found it.
Yeah. Oh Lord, thank you. We have the whipped cream. We're gonna taste the avocado that
In there.
he's afraid of. Ah. Ah.
Is it good?
Oh, it's sweet, and I think you like the.
It is good. And it's very frozen.
I think you want to change. You might want to drink the.
It's like avocado ice cream, yeah.
Yeah. Delicious, right? It's,
Shoot.
it's different from matcha.
It is. This is good. And it's like, it really is like a milkshake.
Yeah. And it's cheap.
So this was 65, and then the milk tea was 45. So 110, which is almost exactly $2. So $1 each, basically, for the largest size. Can't beat that. Yeah.
He's drinking both of it.
Well, it's a weird combo, but it's good. Very delicious.
Hi.
A lot of kids are yelling today, trying to get our attention.
Just your attention, babe.
Yeah, they drive by. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Or hey.
Yeah.
Hey, my friend.
Yeah. Hey, man. Yeah. They're very, very cute. A lot of little kids, especially. I'm the only foreigner I've seen all day. No foreigners on the bus. No foreigners at the bus station.
They're just all Pinoy.
No foreigners in Talisay. It's just me, so I can see why it's weird.
Yeah.
And I'm a foot taller than everyone else.
They should come here if they want to be like recognized so much.
If you want to feel like a celebrity, just come here and talk to everybody.
They're like, you want some try?
Yeah, they always want to give us a ride in the bike, and then give you free samples. Practice their English. It's nice. It's cute. Let's finish our things, and we'll go get some cheesecake, maybe.
Yeah. See you around.
Okay, bye. What's up, guys? We're walking back to the main road. We're gonna try to get the bus back to SMC side. But it was a good day.
It was a good day, and it's not raining.
Yeah, it rained for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
We got coffee a couple times. We tried to get the cheesecake, but the cheesecake place was sold out. We had carinderia, we had grilled seafood, we had
Lechon.
We got dogs barking for no reason.
We got a lot of food right now.
Yeah, plus snacks, we got desserts. We got a little everything. Did a lot of walking. I think we're at almost 8,000 steps today.
Yeah.
So this is a good day. I think our total expenditure was right about 1,500 pesos, or about $30. That's including food for that. Yes, the bus for 2 people, taxi for 2 people, food, everything. So pretty cheap. Anyway, I think that's it, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
See you later. Bye.
What's up, guys? We walked to the main road and then asking where the bus was, and Kuya stopped to pick us up. You're in the vlog, Kuya.
Welcome to our vlog, Kuya.
I just approached with him because I have no passenger going to SMC side.
And he charges like 100 pesos just to go to SMC side.
Yeah, same price as the bus, but he has a nice car, so this is great. Perfect timing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We appreciate it. So that's how you get around the Philippines. Everyone's very nice.
Kuya is so good with us.
Very nice guy.
Very nice guy. We were just looking for the My Bus. And then Kuya offered us a ride.
Nice aircon, leather seats. It's a nice car.
True. And we're the only passenger.
Yeah.
Meaning it's exclusive.
I didn't hit my head on the ceiling this time like on the bus. Yeah.
Na iko man gud niya ang yang ulo sa may bus siya ganina. Takong oy. Yeah.
Okay, bubalik mo anam gina sa inyo.
Yang taas man kay ni siya.
Maupod.
Kuya is laughing because you hit your head in the bus.
Every time? Yeah, every time I get on. All right, guys. So that's the end of it.
For remaining just yes, jump break.